Guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys kept asking me to show you how I colored the front of my hair. So originally I had posted this in my stories in my Instagram. This was never like a video I was gonna post on my YouTube. I actually didn't even have YouTube yet. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So what I'm doing right now is parting my hair to the desired section that I want to color. I have like these little long bang pieces in the front, and that's what I was trying to actually color. That's actually from a previous color that I did and I end up cutting off. So that's why this part of my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair. All right, so I have the desired section that I want. I'm going to put away the rest of my hair, and I'm going to just make the front section even. I'm just going to clip the long pieces that seem to just be dangling there. Now for the fun part, I made sure I put my gloves on, and now I'm going to start to bleach my hair. I already mixed the hair bleach with the developer. I'm going to show you a picture of what I used, and now I'm just going to apply it from my ends up to my roots. This stuff stinks so bad. It smells horrible. So I'm just going to keep applying it and try to get it really evenly distributed, and then I'll start smoothing it with my hands as well. So right here, I was trying to figure out how I was going to apply the bleach without getting it right directly on my roots. As you can see, I still have some new growth, and I was trying not to get the bleach on my new growth. I got it a little bit closer to my roots than I intended, but it was fine. And then I got some on the hair that I didn't want to color, so I had to hurry up and rinse that out before it started changing, because this bleach changes color fast. So now I'm just smoothing it out with my hands to make sure it's fully coated and everything is going to change the same color. And now I'm just going to wrap it with some foil so it could be out of my face, because I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. So this is the color after 10 minutes. I did not like it. It was not light enough, and it was just orange and brassy. I didn't like it. So right now I'm going to use purple shampoo to attempt to see if it's going to lighten up or just fix the brassy color. Now I'm just adding some Alpha G 2-minute reconstructor to add some strength back into my hair because of the color treatment. Bleach is a harsh treatment to do to your hair, so I just wanted to treat my hair. I went ahead and blow dried it to see if I was going to like the color, and I did not like it. I hated it. It was not light enough. So I did the process all over again. I left it in for 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's way lighter, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. By the way, don't do this. Do not touch that bleach with your hands. It left my hands feeling so rough, so ashy, and so nasty. This is what it looks like blow dried. I did use the purple shampoo again. To be honest, I still hated the color. I felt like it wasn't light enough. And I did plan on going again next week, but I left it alone. Here are my final results. I did an unintentional twist out because I just put these two twists in to go to sleep. When I was bleaching my hair, it was really late, but it came out so cute. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. See you on the next one.